You're on YouTube, Austin.
I've been on it before.
Look at this.
Why should I?
Because that's the freaking viewers.
I just want you to know you put your thumb in the way.
Look at that. No. Sorry, guys, for the interruptions.
Hi, people. I think they're hating.
We're out in Louisiana fishing. Oh, it's brackish water. Don't leave in the comments. Oh my gosh, it's fresh water. Cause look, oh shoot.
You stopped?
Stop it. It's still recording. Bam.
Guess what we caught today, guys? We caught a 200-pounder.
We did not get to do it. No, we did not. No, we did not.